All right, so I made a DIY laundry detergent powder using really clean ingredients, so non-toxic. I usually use the On Guard laundry detergent, which is liquid, but I ran out. I got distracted this last month and didn't get on my order in time. So I have this cute container. You want to make sure that it's metal, it's airtight, glass also would work. So in here I have 2 batches that I just made. It smells awesome. I have a load that just finished, so excited to see how it turned out. But I want to show you the ingredients I used because it was really simple, and these are all something that you can get on Amazon and then with your dōTERRA essential oils. So pure borax, you're gonna do a cup of that. I got the jumbo size of these because I used them for dishwasher pods as well. So you can do that or get the smaller amounts, but these are on all these ingredients are on my Amazon list. And then washing soda. So these are non-toxic, nice and super clean, chemical free. And then baking soda, just straight baking soda. And this is just the wrapper of it, but this was a Dr. Bronner's Castile soap bar. So just a Castile soap bar, you're gonna grate that. So you're gonna do a cup of each of the first 3 ingredients per bar grated, as well as 30 drops total of essential oil. So what I did was 15 of each Purify and lemon. I love these for cleaning. A couple of my favorites are Melaleuca and On Guard, of course. Also any citrus would be wonderful, or whatever aroma you really would like. Also keep in mind you can use these on a wool dryer ball, so you can do something different for your laundry detergent and then do something different for your wool dryer ball instead of dryer sheets, because those things are nasty. So with your powder, you would do so a tablespoon for a small load, 2 tablespoons for a normal load. The other thing that you can add that I read about was a all-natural oxygen brightener. So this is nice and clean, it's non-toxic, it's phosphate-free, chlorine-free, all the things. So it says it all right here on the label. So all these things are on my Amazon list, but make yourself a batch, clean up your laundry room, and let me know what you think. See ya.